Hi guys, this is a really quick tutorial to show you how to set up a very quick and easy proxy edit workflow in Adobe Premiere Pro. To do this, firstly, go and find the footage that you wish to work with. Then select it all, highlight it all, and right click and select Proxy, Create Proxies. You're going to get a little bit of a dialog box pop up here, and you can choose between H.264 or QuickTime. I'm going to choose QuickTime, and I like to use the Cineform low res proxy, but there is a medium and a high res, but this is a proxy workflow to speed things up. So I'm going to choose low res and hit OK. What's going to happen is it's going to launch Adobe Media Encoder and then convert my footage to the proxy format. Okay, so Media Encoder has taken all of my original footage off my camera and it's now converted it into a proxy format. But I need to be able to see and use the proxies. And to do this, I just go up here to the button editor and I need to drag and drop this icon, the toggle proxies icon, from the source monitor and also into the program monitor. Hit OK. Now with these two on, highlighted and blue, my footage now, when I come to use it, is I'm actually now viewing the proxy media. So if I turn it off, you can see the quality is quite high, the original clip. Turn it back on and instantly it changes to a much more low res version of the footage. However, this is the proxy. Why would you convert all of your raw footage to a proxy format? Well, the answer is simple. If your system is struggling with the demands of the footage you're using, you're filming footage, or sorry, you're editing footage that's in a very compressed format. My footage here was shot on a Sony a6300, which my system doesn't love. I want to be able to edit quickly. I want to be able to preview and change and edit things in a really swift manner. So by enabling a proxy workflow, it means I can quickly skim through all of my clips in a low res format, get the shot I want, super fast, bring it onto the timeline. But more importantly, on the timeline, I'm also, because this is toggle blue, I'm also looking at that footage in the proxy format. So I can do my editing, I can, I'll just do something really quick just to show you. I can tweak things super quick, add effects really quickly, and I'm not taxing the system and I'm not making the computer struggle. Proxy editing is fantastic if, like I said, you've got an underpowered system or you've got really complex or really compressed footage, or you're going to be doing an edit so massive with so many effects and special things that are really going to slow everything down. Enabling a proxy workflow means you can edit really quickly. And then when you want to see the original footage again, you simply click and it's gone. It is now back to the original. You can see here actually. So this is quite crisp and nice UHD footage. Click. You see here, especially on the cruise ship here, it's all gone blurry, but that's because it's using the low res proxy. It's fantastic. It can take the stress and the hassle out of editing a big project, and literally one simple click and you know it's good. Back to proxy, super quick editing. I've got a little bit of an edit here that I'm doing, and just move that a second, plays back, lush, quick as you like. I've got effects on here, I've got warp stabilizer, all happening really quick. And then when I'm happy and comfortable, I can just get rid of it and I can be on to my export or do whatever I want. I hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions or feedback, let me know. Please subscribe to Edit Easy, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.